How to get up to 15% off on Brooks. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Are you looking out for the working promo codes or the coupon codes for the Brooks account? Then you have come to the right place. On today's video, we'll be talking about such promo codes for the Brooks. So for this, open any of your browser and then search for couponfollow.com. Hereby, search for the Brooks account and then you will see different kinds of promo codes up to 15%. To use any of it, tap on the promo code and you can now tap to copy the code. Just paste it while you are checking out of the Brooks, or you could directly click on Redeem at Brooks. This will now take you to your Brooks account, log in into it, and then put in your cards. Now, while checking out, the code will be automatically applied into your Brooks account. So this is all for today's video. For any updated contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.